Then this got into a phone. This month it got a second map. And I found out that phone built walled freight yard, no gate in, hostages where in the middle. And I didn't model any of it. It's all built from the shipping container prop that was already in the project laid out in a script. The bit I'm actually pleased with is that this uses the same mission directive as the monument map. I pulled the hard-coded positions out into per level settings, so one script now drives 3 maps instead of me forking. Even the objective text, it says clear they are here because a freight yard doesn't have a bridge. Mistakes here. The level didn't know which mission it was, so opening it directly gave me the monument briefing in broad daylight, and my own briefing copy promised floodlights that didn't exist. The yard rendered pitch black, so I wrote the floodlights to match the script I had already written. Plays on a phone is the one that got me. There are ammo crates in games now, except the resupply system was already built. It had just never been placed in the lab, so I placed it. Then I found no, it was listening for a key event, and the touch button fires an action, not an event. That handler was unreachable on mobile the whole time. Even with inside 6 degrees of the crosshair, it pulls the shot on the target, slows your turn. Outside 6 degrees, it does nothing at all. Measured it 0% to 100 inside the zone, unchanged. 6 attempts to measure because hostages 100-meter downrange were registering as hits and pinning every result at 35%. It also runs in a browser now, 25 megabytes zip. Godot's web export needs a different renderer, which is usually where they get reference. This project has no so that build goes up on itch.io first. If the frame rate holds up in a browser, crazy games next. Oh, and the zombies are gone. They were left over from the template, replaced with a melee rusher, so a hostage seat stopped having shambles. Every model generated by a Python script is in Blender. No paid assets, no music, one person. Play Store is still blocked on a networking bug on my own machine. Thanks for watching.